All right, let's get into this workflow for the eBay mobile lister app. Let's put this to the test and showcase the full process. This is my full workflow for eBay Go Lister, powered by Chat GPT Agent. First off, I use one of my old templates for action figures. Click Upload from mobile. Take pics right from the iPad, a front shot, close up of the brand, etc. Hit Done and Upload. Scroll down, save the draft, super simple. I found the easiest way to run ChatGPT Agent on mobile is to use your browser. First time, it'll ask you for your eBay credentials. I've already logged in, so I just enter my prompt. Here's a screenshot of my prompt. To tweak the prompt for other items, screenshot it, drop it into GPT or any other LLM, and have it extract the text. Easy. Once I'm in the agent dashboard, I click the little tool button to switch to agent mode. Paste in my prompt, hit enter, let GPT agent do its thing. It goes to the draft page, opens up the draft, analyzes the first and second photo, generates an SEO optimized title, brand, series, character, enters in the SKU, scrolls down, hits the AI description button, opens up a new tab for comps, searches comps, pulls the lowest price, fills it into the draft, scrolls down, saves the draft, done. Pretty easy, self-explanatory. If you think this is cool, just wait till you see what I got cooking next. Now, listing on eBay is automated. I used to have Python scripts for this, but this is next level. You can do this anywhere, warehouse, out and about. Just drop your prompt into GPT and it drafts it for you. If AI plus reselling blows your mind, you're not ready for what's coming next. Comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more. Trust me, you're not ready for what I got cooking. AI resell nerd out.